Here's our watermelon. Now you may have a sticker on it. Peel this off. Oh yeah, I need to wash dishes, so I'm using Tay's knife today, as she's a ninja with her knives in the kitchen and they're heavier and sharper. And you'll need this type of blade. As you can see, this watermelon rind is pretty thick. So make sure you hold on one side of it with pressure and make a clean cut down the middle. This way you'll have two even pieces to handle and work with. But let's go ahead and put this on a plate and Ninja-Rize the first half. The goal here, folks, is to cut out this white layer of rind. Firmly put pressure on the back and keep those fingers away from the knife. Use about the length of your blade to make less chops. See, you don't want that. We'll speed the video up and it takes about 7 to 8 chops. Do not put the waste rind in your trash indoors. It may attract pests. You'll want to dispose of this outdoors and or recycle in your compost. You're almost done, but we still have a little more to shave off. And this is that 8th piece we were talking about chopping earlier. Let's take that off now. There it is, folks. As this is a smaller melon, we have a heptagon. Let's shave that remaining rind off. We'll go ahead and speed the video up. We'll flip it on its side and cut it into thirds, or if you want bigger chunks, just cut in half. Once you have your 2 or 3 discs, we'll flip it over and cut it in a sort of tic-tac-toe pattern. Doing it this way makes perfectly bite-sized cubes. We'll store in a bowl and we repeated the same process to the other half we put aside earlier.
Who doesn't love fresh grab-and-go fruit? We do it on vacation at the hotel, so why not at home, right? Want a quicker cutting method? B's got some moon slices up next.
It was another hot summer day, so we're gonna Ninja-Rize this one the simple way. Remember to pull your sticker off. I got my knife today. Let's slice both ends. Now we'll speed it up, but we're cutting about 2-inch slices and then cut them into moon halves. You're done. These are great for easy storage and grab and go eating.
For storage details for any leftovers you may have, visit the link in the description. We've got a bonus for y'all. If you have kids with preferences who may want something more manageable than the half moons, or if you just like smaller cuts, you can take one of your half moons and slice them like such. For topping ideas, try some sea salt or maybe even tahini. So y'all go get y'all some too. Be sure to stay hydrated and enjoy. And yeah, we caught B chomping on one.